Welcome guys to my channel, Panda on the Beat. So it's been a really while since I did a video on the channel. If you look at me, I look terrible right now because I'm really busy with school. It's my last semester, it's really important. I have to graduate this semester. No more staying in university. I don't want to stay any longer. So I can't really make that much promises for the channel, but I would make the best effort to do videos and have fun with everyone as well. Also, I did some modification, you can see here. So after I got one of the TWICE Run 2020 season greeting t-shirts, I got a poster. So I put that poster there. I got some situation where I get Chaeyoung fall down. I was devastated, and then Salma fall down too, so I had to do something so that I can fix this issue, but I was able to fix that. I'm satisfied with this setup. It still looks kind of like empty at some side, but I just didn't want to bore the rest of you since I have nothing in the back, and I'm lucky enough to have those so that I can put them here. Also, I don't really have that much in mind. I completely forget what did I promise to watch in the channel or what I was supposed to be doing, so I just literally jumped into the comment section. The first thing I saw, I just picked. So for this video, we are going to have a look at TWICE. By the way, if you heard anything from the window, because I just heard, I have no idea if that was captured by the mic or not, but street is going on. It's still in the morning. Normally I don't do videos in the morning. I do them at night when I come back, but today is my day off, so I have time before I go ahead and go work on my project and homeworks and all that stuff. But yeah, so the video will be TWICE Chaeyoung making cute noises. So this is actually going to be a very cute video where we're gonna see Chaeyoung being Chaeyoung, voices, noises, and all the other small stuff that she does all the time. There's one clip for Chaeyoung that I really love when she's in the airport and she just like dancing. I have no idea what song she was dancing on, but she looked really cute. Like she's like really immersed with whatever song that she was hearing. But yeah, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump in and see what's going on. All right, you guys, you ready? Let's go. So we got Chaeyoung right here. Oh god, I love her haircut, man. Getting confused. She got it. I want to watch this again. I think that was like TT Showcase. No. Was it TT Showcase? I think it was. Her dimples is just so cute. They're trying to rap in here. See that horror movie right there? Thank God this thing didn't even fell on them. It just like fell all the way in the back. Yo, Diane here was like, Chaeyoung said to Zooey that she looked pretty. Did Zooey? I think Zooey already made makeup. I can't tell really, but I think we're that situation where she was like, what about my face? Is it good? I was about to mention this. The pinging. What's going on? Oh, this glasses is empty. School Me Club, V Lives. Always hilarious. Oh, dance the night away. She look really small, man.
I'm so cold.
Get Michin like. Oh, that's another video. Diane has that like on her phone. Oh damn, that was like a blessing. Oh, she's running. Bro, are they taking a picture in here? That's one of her specialties, you know. It makes sounds cleaning window. Oh, I like this too. She does that to me as well. pull that. Ah, that was it. No more. Alright, you guys, that was it for this video. It's really cute. I really like every single one of those moments. I probably knows most of those, maybe like for a couple of them, not really much. And I already like know kind of like the story behind it, what comes after, what comes before. It's kind of fun more when you know what's going on. But yeah, that's Chaeyoung like all the time. She always does what she wants. Make noises, voices. She just has like her own style, her own world. That's like what makes her really like stand out. She just does whatever her mind tells her to do. But yeah, that was it for the video. Thank you for recommending to watch this. If you have any other videos that's similar to this, other members or more that welcome to recommend that on the comment section. Also, I wanted to mention something actually. So someone did mention before if I'm going to make any Q&A video. I was thinking make a Q&A not now, like really much later. If I get to have like more subscriber in the channel, like I don't know, like 5,000 or something. If that happens, then I'll go ahead and do. But if you have any questions, you can post them right now. You can go to the community section, post that as well. I will screenshot those things, will save them when the time comes and do a video based on that. Also, if some of you still want to buy one of the Run 2020 Twice Season Greeting t-shirts, I did find someone on eBay who's selling them, the pink one and the navy ones. There's extra large, medium. Now all the members, there is some of the members that left, so I'm not sure still now or not, but I posted that also on the community section. You can go check out the link if you still want to buy. There is hopefully an opportunity for that. I find another Japanese person who's selling his. It's way too expensive. Probably want to check the first link that I have in the community section and see if you can buy that if you are willing and you have the money for it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will try to remember what else I was promising before to watch, because literally my brain is just wiped right now. I can't really, the amount of work and study that I have no idea where did I reach and everything. But I'm gonna keep just checking the comment section because it's much easier for me. So yeah, see you guys next time.